Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today I tried to make some gujiya and let's get started. So now I'm just gonna take the dough and try to make it in a roti form. As you can see, just roll it. A little bit more. Yeah, now it's looking really good. It's almost ready. Now I'm going to use the stencil and put it in the stencil to make it in the perfect form. And here we are taking the stencil, and it's like you can apply oil so it didn't get sticky. Now I'm gonna put the filling material, that is coconut plus khoya plus like powdered sugar, yeah. And now I'm gonna close it. This is how it looks like. And to seal the edges, I applied a little bit water. After applying it, I'm gonna close it. Yeah, press it gently after that and remove the extra material from the sides. Now let's open it, and this is so cute. It's ready. Now I'm just gonna remove it and then we're gonna deep fry it. So yeah, this is how it looks like, and now I'm gonna take all of these to deep fry. Now I'm gonna fry all of these for next 10 to 15 minutes until it turns like golden reddish kind of. And yep, they are ready. This is how it looks like after 5 to 10 minutes. Now these are ready to serve. Here we are, and these look so yummy, and these are super delicious. Enjoy guys, hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and enjoy your Holi with some gujiyas. Happy Holi guys, bye.